In this video, we delve into the stunning IWC watch collection showcased at the prestigious Watch and Wonder Fair. The IWC booth stands out, reflecting the brand's commitment to excellence and innovation in horology. This fair is significant as it brings together the finest watchmakers, celebrating craftsmanship and artistry. Viewers will be captivated by the exquisite designs and intricate details of the new collection, featuring unique elements that elevate each timepiece, making them not just watches, but true works of art. At the IWC booth, visitors are immersed in an experience that beautifully reflects nature, with aesthetic elements inspired by the great outdoors. The centerpiece, the Portuguese chronograph, embodies the thematic connection to the cycles of the day, showcasing how time flows seamlessly. Each watch in the new collection draws inspiration from natural hues, with captivating colors like horizon blue, reminiscent of serene skies, and Portuguese Automatic 42, with double-box glass sapphire crystals and anti-reflective coating on both sides. This collection harmonizes artistry with the essence of nature, creating timeless elegance. This is the watch Giselle is wearing in the photo. The new watch collection showcases colors inspired by the golden hour and moon phases, each hue reflecting a moment in time that resonates deeply with wearers. The Portuguese watch, with its timeless design, has a rich historical context dating back to the 1930s, symbolizing precision and elegance. This collection not only celebrates craftsmanship but also emphasizes the emotional connection that comes with passing down watches through generations, creating a legacy that intertwines personal stories with the beauty of horological artistry. Visiting the IWC factory is an exhilarating experience, especially as we take the train to Zurich, surrounded by the breathtaking scenic views of Switzerland. The lush landscapes and majestic mountains evoke fond memories of past adventures in this beautiful country, creating a personal connection to the journey. As we approach the factory, excitement builds for the opportunity to witness the craftsmanship and magic behind watchmaking, where tradition meets innovation, and each timepiece is meticulously crafted with passion and precision. In this video, we explored the beauty and significance of the IWC watch collection, highlighting its inspirations drawn from nature and time. We emphasized the importance of legacy and craftsmanship in watchmaking, showcasing how each piece tells a story that transcends generations. If you enjoyed this journey through horological artistry, we encourage you to subscribe, like, and share this video for more captivating content. Join us as we continue to celebrate the world of fine watches and their timeless elegance. Thanks for watching, no pun intended.